Temporary short-run aggregate supply. This happens when something changes production costs or output. For example, a spike in oil prices or a bad harvest. In the short run, this will shift the short-run aggregate supply curve, or SRAS. If it is a negative shock, SRAS shifts left. Prices rise and output falls. If it is a positive shock, SRAS shifts right. Prices fall, output rises. This is only temporary. SRAS will move back to its original position. In the long run, the economy returns back to its original output. Below, I have shown an SRAS graph with SRAS, short-run aggregate supply, highlighted in blue, AD, aggregate demand, highlighted in pink. On the x-axis, we have real GDP, or Y, and on the y-axis, we have price, or P. Right here, we have an equilibrium. This is when SRAS equals AD. These dotted lines here show our equilibrium output and our equilibrium price. Let's assume that we have a bad harvest. That means we have less crop than we thought we would. This means that our supply has decreased. I show this by moving SRAS to the left. Now that we have that, we now have a new equilibrium where SRAS2 equals aggregate demand. So, thus, we also have a new real GDP, or output, and a new price. You can see that price rose and output fell. But next season, we had lots of rain and we were able to harvest more crops. So our supply has gone back to normal, and we have once again reached that same equilibrium where this is going to be Y1 equals Y3 because we are back where we started, and price 1 equals price 3 because we are back where we started. This shows how it's only temporary and eventually it will return back to its normal output.